In this video, I will show you how to swap TON to USDT on Bybit. To do this, first just go and open up the Bybit app and then click on Assets in the bottom right. Now once you are in your assets, you just want to go and click on Convert. From here at the top, you need to select TON. So for me it says Bitcoin right now, so just click on whatever it says for you. And then in the Crypto tab, go and select TON. Now it will show up at the top as long as you own some of it, which I do. Then at the bottom, make sure it's set to 2 USDT. If it's set to something else, just click on whatever it says and then just search for USDT and select it. Then choose how much you would like to do. So the minimum is 1 ton. I'll just click max and then click on quote. From here, click confirm. And now it has been swapped, and as you can see it says conversion completed. Now just click view assets, and now you can see instead of $22 in TON, I now have it in USDT. So that's how to swap TON to USDT on Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.